So the last thing we want to talk about with Shearwater is, there's a number of builders in there. There's Lennar, Dream Finders, there's Ryan Homes. And now I haven't seen any new David Weekley homes being built, but I do know in the resale aspect of what's available in there are David Weekley homes available. But these are all top builders building incredible, beautiful properties, not only here, but they're building them all throughout Florida, really, and in a lot of these master plan communities. I'm always wondering what's the appeal to buying new construction other than it being brand new to some of the existing homes that are within the community as well. And I think it comes down to incentives.
That's one of the reasons. Another reason is they continue to learn and watch and get feedback to people's lifestyle, and they continue to adjust the floor plans.
Oh, that's a great point.
You'll notice you'll see a model that's called a so-and-so, a Mallard 1
Right.
or
And then there's a 2, and then there's a
2
3.
and a 3.
Yeah.
And they've realized what people need, what they are asking for in a floor plan, and they keep adjusting them. So when you're buying the new construction, you may be getting some floor plans that have the insight to people who are living in the environment.
Yeah, and they really do learn. So we were in there, we were looking at this one single family home, and we noticed when we got into the primary bath that it just felt, it had a double, it had 2 sinks in it, and it just felt slightly cramped. Like it wasn't as big as I thought it should be.
And a little squeezed in there.
Yeah, when we were talking about it, they said, "Oh, well, we're not making this model anymore. It's one of the things that we've learned. The new model that was being built right across the street that is now under construction, they have 2 new models of the types of properties they built. They're just version 2 or 3s. They said, we decided to just go 3 more feet in length. And when we did that, it opened up and he named all the things that had changed. And now when I went back through the house, I said, oh, okay, that 3 foot makes this perfection.
That was exactly what it needed.
Yeah. And so new construction has that option to it.
So one of the reasons why people would want to choose a new construction would be the latest floor plans and everything that brings to it. There's another reason, though, isn't there?
How about the incentives?
The incentives, yes.
Yeah.
It makes it hard to not say yes to new construction when you hear the incentives. What were you able to learn about the incentives at Shearwater?
So when we're looking on the MLS and we're looking at existing home sales and we're looking at the new construction home sales, we're noticing that the new construction always sort of wins out by a lot in these master plan communities. And the incentives is what it's really all about. And so if you're right now with the builders that I've mentioned, they've mentioned that they're about $13,000 in closing cost assistance. So right off the bat, you're getting $13,000 in closing cost assistance. And understand that these change monthly. They can get better, they can get worse, they can be completely different. Every month, they determine the kind of incentives that they're bringing out competitively.
So they can be most competitive.
Yeah. And so it's $13,000. And then they hit me with this fact. They said, we're also offering a permanent buy down, 30-year fixed rate at 4.99% for 30 years.
I had to ask them twice to make sure that it actually was permanent, but it is.
It is. And if you do an FHA or VA, they're offering 4.5.
Wow.
So if you're working with their lender, right, you can get a 4.5%, 30-year fixed rate, no games played at all, interest rate, buying a new construction home with all the beautiful things and all the upgrades that they've been able to determine in a master plan community. And you can do it at 4.5%. Think about that.
That's amazing. And if you happen to have enough money that you don't need closing cost assistance, you get to use that $13,000 worth of concessions on upgrades, on different flooring, different countertops, other features you may want to add to it.
So that's quite amazing. And I know in a lot of these planned communities, there's different levels. And we've heard all kinds of incentives. It just really depends how the market's moving, what their inventory is, what they're trying to move. Do they have excess inventory? The incentives go up even higher. So there's an awful lot available. So when you're thinking about coming to a master plan community, you really need to think about, can I get a super low interest rate? Can I get that 30-year fixed interest rate that I can't get anywhere else? Yeah, you can.
Wow.
That was pretty amazing to me, because I talk to a lot of people and they're saying, well, but I got this, 3.5% or 4% interest rate. I said, well, I can get, look, buy new construction, get something brand new, and here you go. And then resort style living, all of that, it's, pretty amazing. So I just want to ask you this.
Okay.
So we spent the day there, right? Mm-hmm. We met with builders. We've done an awful lot of education there. But in looking at it all, like, what's your thought? Like,
I love it.
How does it affect you? How does it affect your heart?
So I'm always going through on behalf of our clients and people who are interested in learning, but I can't help always trying to picture, how would our life be here? How would our life with our kids? How would our kids like living here? I love that place. I think it's amazing. I would do it. That would be something, this would be a development I would consider living in this community.
So I think the other thing when we talk about Shearwater and St. Johns County is the fact that this also is coastal living. You are within 20 to 25 miles from the coast.
Yes.
Right? So you are very close to white sand beaches, all the restaurants, the boating community. You're very close to the St. Johns River. So all of the boating community and the fishing and all of that. So that's where this is, right? And that in itself adds a whole lot to that lifestyle. You're just not in this planned community, but you can be at Volano Beach in no time at all. You can be at Ponte Vedra Beach.
So
no time at all.
What you're saying is you've got a vacation within a vacation.
Yes.
You have a resort within a resort.
Yeah. You can have your boat at a dock and be on the St. Johns River. You can also be on a dock and be on the ocean.
It may be time to redefine what normal is for your life.
It's a different lifestyle altogether, and it is laid back. People are calm, people are kind. It is Southern hospitality here. People are not standoffish. As you meet them, they're embracing and kind. Nobody's thinking, terrible things. They're thinking lovely things down here. It's an incredible beachy lifestyle. It's just kind.
Something I noticed with the kids, early teens, teenagers, that's different. And I couldn't quite put my finger on it because it's not like I'm interacting with the teenagers that much. But when I walk into an area where they're playing pool or ping pong, I don't feel that feeling of standoff, stay away from,
No.
I don't feel that. I feel they're friendly. They're looking up. Sometimes they'll say, are you looking for something, in a way like they could help us?
Yeah, I'll ask them a question and they'll say, oh, no, sir. Yes, sir. You can go right over there, sir.
But it doesn't feel like when you're talking to the kids and the young adults that you're intruding. They seem very welcome and very friendly to talk to, which is a little bit of a different experience than I'm used to when a group of that age group is hanging out. It normally is a very exclusive group.
Yeah. So I would say, from what you've just said, that everyone is very conversational and conversation welcoming.
Very much so.
Yeah. One of the other things about the location, which is really great, is that it's just 39 miles from the Jacksonville International Airport.
Perfect.
So 40 minutes, 45 minutes, depending upon what part of the day and is there any traffic going on up there. But you pretty much can be at the airport, and usually it's 45, 50 minutes for you to get to the airport. And that's really great too. So you got an international airport there. If you need something that's truly international flights, because you're going overseas and all of that, I know Jacksonville doesn't have a lot of that, but you're really only about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours away from either Orlando or Orlando Sanford International Airport as well. So you're in an area that has all of that. And then, well, on any given day, any weekend, you can also head to Disney. You got Disney, you got Universal. They're all within about a 2-hour drive. I know from us, we live very close to Shearwater. We go to Disney at least once a month.
It's a day trip.
It's a day trip. You get your Florida resident pass. You can go whenever you want. And if you get up early and you go in the morning, you're home sleeping in your bed by 9, 10 o'clock. That's the way we do it.
If you're listening to this and you're thinking Shearwater may be a fit for you, please comment Shearwater info, and we will reach out to you and help you do the math of how that could occur for you.
Yeah.
Math is so important.
Yeah, I think you have to kind of see it. So we've kind of added a lot of video to this so that you can kind of see. But there's nothing beats it than coming in, seeing some properties, walking through this community. I guarantee you halfway through the middle of the amenity center, you're looking at one another and saying, I had no idea. Yeah.
We still say that. Even though we do go through communities all the time, we can't help but think about where we were a couple years ago, and we still say, I can't believe this exists.
Yeah. The life these families are living down here is different, way different than anything we were living up there. And I know we were avid skiers. We like to ski, right? But that does not compare in any way, shape, or form to the lifestyle that's lived here. Now, if you don't like the sun, if you don't like leisure, you don't like the pool, you don't want to lay in a lazy river in the summer, you have absolutely no need for exercising.
Then don't do it.
Getting in shape, right? Don't do it. It is not for you, right? And you may be some of those people that comment that said, oh, I'm never moving to Florida. Okay.
In my opinion, you might not know what you don't know.
You might not know what you don't know. And we didn't know till we got here. And I can't tell you how thankful I am that we came, because vacation doesn't prepare you for what it's like. Vacation is vacation, and it costs you a ton of money to get there. And then by the time you get all the way home, you're worn out, but you're happy to be in your home because your home is your home.
Home is always home.
But home can be here. And your vacation doesn't have to cost you all of that. And if you've noticed many of the comments for the people that live here, they talk about in the comments all the time. Please go down, read, and comment on your thoughts on this. But many of them comment on the fact that they save so much money per year because they just don't go on vacations.
But they're not lacking
the
fun. It's not like it's a discipline.
Oh, no.
It's just that you have everything you need.
Yeah.
And if you do go on vacations or you do go on trips, it's usually to visit other parts of Florida to see all the fun.
People are saying that too.
On the different coast or in a different area.
I just want to spend a little time in a different part of Florida and start learning more about that. Florida is intriguing. It keeps your attention. It is where you vacation. You can vacation every day. So I hope you've enjoyed our little conversation about Shearwater. Is there anything that we missed, anything that we could have covered more for you in that? But if you're interested in seeing Shearwater and seeing other master plan communities, that's what we do. We're real estate agents. We've been doing this for most of our life. And we're here to help you and show you. And just reach out. Put Shearwater in all caps or something, Shearwater info, and we'll get you more information. If you want to live this way of life, it's possible. Just takes planning, commitment, a little hard work. But if you're relentless about it, you're committed about it, you can have it too.